At Horace Mann, we believe educators are the heart of our community, which is why we provide supplemental insurance to help lessen the financial burden of an unexpected illness or accident. Not familiar with supplemental health insurance? It's coverage designed to fill the gaps in your main health insurance plan, and the benefits are paid directly to you or whoever you choose. Our programs cover those events that could potentially happen the most, cost the most, and last the longest. Events like cancer. In fact, 1 in 3 people in the US have a lifetime risk of developing invasive cancer. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death in the US. In the next 10 minutes, 847 Americans will suffer an injury severe enough to require consultation with a medical professional. The average stay in the hospital costs over 15 grand. And 1 in 4 of today's 20-year-olds in the US are expected to become disabled before reaching age 67. Sure, you have health insurance and maybe a good chunk of savings too, but is that enough to cover all the out-of-pocket costs? Current stats tell us that 47% of the costs associated with treating an event like coronary heart disease are medically related, such as hospital room and board, drugs and medicine, surgeon's costs, and other hospital expenses. However, non-medical costs, the cost that your main health insurance doesn't pay for, can be much greater, as much as 53%. Costs we tend to forget about, such as loss of income during treatment, transportation costs, and food and lodging during treatment away from home. That's why Horace Mann's supplemental insurance coverage can be so helpful. It pays directly to you or whoever you choose, allowing you to maintain the lifestyle you've worked so hard to build for you and those who depend on you. In these uncertain times, one thing is certain: we're here to help. Continue the conversation with your local agent or use our online tool to explore your coverage options.